Hey guys and girls, I am going to talk about monomial factoring. I'm going to break this down into two parts. First is just a review of the distributive property and using the exponent rules. So looking at this right here, remember when we use the distributive property, we multiply each term by every term inside the parentheses when these things are all added together. Again, these have to be added or subtracted in order to use the distributive property. So we have negative 2g squared times 3g cubed. I'm going to write this out for the first one. And then we've got negative 2g squared times 6g. And then we have negative 2g squared times negative 5. And then when we simplify, again, I would skip this step that we just wrote down, but when we simplify, negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. G squared times g cubed is g to the 5th. Negative 2 times 6 is negative 12. G squared times g, don't forget there's a 1 right here. G squared times g to the 1st is g cubed. And then negative 2 times negative 5 is a positive 10. We're done. We have used the distributive property along with the exponent rules to appropriately combine, to appropriately multiply our powers and to multiply these coefficients. On this problem right here, we've got 3xy squared times 4x cubed y. 3 times 4 is 12. X to the 1st times x cubed is x to the 4th. Y squared times y to the 1st is y cubed. Now we have 3 times positive 6, that's positive 18 or plus 18. X to the 1st times x to the 1st is x squared. Y squared times y to the 1st is y cubed. And then this times negative 5x, 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. X to the 1st times x to the 1st is x squared. And then we have y squared. And that is our final answer. So now what you are ready to do is combine this topic with our previous topics involving vocabulary, and you are prepared to complete problems 1, 2, 3, and 4 on page 6.